Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's question on LeetCode is find all duplicates in an array. So given an array of integers, 1 is less than or equal to ai, which is also less than or equal to n. So that means that I is actually between 1 and n is the size of the array. Some elements appear twice and others appear once. Find all the elements that appear twice in this array. Could you do it without extra space and in O and runtime? Wow, interesting. Okay, so let's just try to understand this problem better. I should say that I'm not solving this without extra space and in O runtime. My solution is not. But this is what I get or what I propose first. So we have this, so the idea of or the understanding of the question is that we wanted to return all duplicates. So if you check this list, we realize that the numbers that are duplicates is just 2 and 3. We have 3 here and another 3 there, and 2 here and another 2. The rest are all ones. So we want to write a function that should be able to retain all those duplicates, that's 2 and 3. So in this case, what I propose is to create sort of like 2 empty lists, one that will contain the repeated numbers and one that will contain the non-repeated ones. At the end of it, we retain the ones that have been repeated. So we can start by saying that we have repeated nums, right? And that's an empty list. Okay, and then the one that are non-repeats, maybe we can call it this video, no long name, we just make it this. Okay, so the idea is that we want to first of all loop through this array that we have. So we have for maybe I in this numbers. So if I is not in, okay, if I not in the non-repeated, if it's not there, we want it to what? Append, right? So non-repeats dot append what I. Else it means that it's repeated. So we'll want to append it in the repeated list now. So repeated dot append, append I, right? So at the end of it, we are interested in it returning just the repeated lists, right? We are not interested in everything. This is just what we're interested in. So let's try this to see if this is able to give us what we want. So I'm going to use the example that has been provided by LeetCode here. So this is equal to that. Okay, good. Yeah, so this works. This gives us 2, 3. So even this, we could also still make the this non-repeated as a set, but in this case, since it's a set, we cannot append in a set, we rather add. So you can add this and then we can still have the same answer. So with regards to doing it in without extra space and in all runtime, I'm happy to hear your views if you have any thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you in my subsequent videos. Have a good time and bye.